This 2026 Jayco Eagle 355 MBQS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 42 feet 4 inches in length and features sleeps 10, carbon monoxide detector, TV, air conditioning, smoke detector, external shower, skylight, microwave, oven, awning, leveling jacks, and 81 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Jayco Eagle 355 MBQS is 12,830 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.